Hey all, I'm Sanjit. Today I'll talk about the uses of food and foods. Today we will understand where can we use food and foods in sentences. First we need to understand food is an uncountable noun. We know as per grammar there is no any plural form of uncountable nouns. For example, water, milk, oil, hair. These all are uncountable nouns. Here, water cannot be waters, milk cannot be milks, oil cannot be oils, hair cannot be hairs. Similarly, food cannot be foods. But there are some rules in English grammar. As per those rules, we can use foods in sentences. It is strange little bit, but yes, we can use. And it is an interesting topic. First, we will discuss why is food an uncountable noun. Second, we will discuss how do we use food and foods in sentences. Food denotes a collection of eatable items which provides nutritional support to the body of human beings and animals. We cannot count one food, two foods, three foods, hence food is an uncountable noun. Remember, an uncountable noun is used always in a singular form. For example, I want some water to drink, absolutely correct, but I want some waters to drink. It's a wrong sentence. Next, milk is white, absolutely correct, milks are white, it's wrong. Next, oil is a liquid substance, it's a correct sentence. But we cannot say oils are liquid substances. It's wrong. Next, I need some cooking oil. Absolutely correct. But we cannot say I need some cooking oils. Then the sentence will be incorrect. Similarly, food is used always in a singular form. For example, how was the food? How is the food? The food was delicious. The food is delicious. I need some food. These 5 sentences are correct, but A, how were the foods? It is a wrong sentence. Just imagine you joined in a wedding ceremony and you add there 15 to 20 items. Only because of more items, I cannot say how were the foods. I should say how was the food. B, how are the foods? Maybe you are having your lunch in the middle of the day and I have seen you are eating 5 to 6 items. Only because of more items, I cannot say how are the foods. I should say how is the food. C, the foods were delicious. It is wrong. We should say the food was delicious. D, the foods are delicious. It is also a wrong sentence. We should say the food is delicious. E, I need some foods. It is absolutely wrong. We should say I need some food. Because food is an uncountable noun, we know there is no any plural form of uncountable nouns like water, milk, oil, etc. We cannot say I need some waters. We cannot say I need some milks. We cannot say I need some oils. But we can use the plural form of countable nouns like mango, chair, table, marker, etc. We can say I need some mangoes. We can say I need some chairs, I need some tables, I need some markers, etc. Till this moment, we have discussed that we cannot use foods in sentences, but now we will discuss how do we use foods in sentences. There is a formula to use foods in sentences. We need to understand that, and it is very simple. Whenever we will talk about a variety of items and we will mention a specific food or a particular food, then we can use foods in sentences. We will go through the examples so that it will be easy for us to understand. First, in Priyanka's marriage ceremony, we tasted a variety of Chinese foods. Here we are talking about a variety of items, and specifically we are talking about Chinese food. Next, I traveled to Italy and I ate a variety of Italian foods. Next, among a variety of North Indian foods, we ate only rice, dal and paneer. Next, in the event in our office, our manager arranged a variety of South Indian foods. Apart from this formula, everywhere we can use food. For example, Chinese food, North Indian food, Punjabi food, Bengali food, Italian food, etc. But we cannot say Indian foods, Chinese foods, North Indian foods, South Indian foods, etc. Thank you. Keep practicing.